Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is marwa.ramsi and today we're going to be looking at a specific type of syncopation that you can do in your Bachata Basic Step, whether you're a leader or a follower without disturbing the lead or the follower. The footwork in question is a cha-cha-cha step. Hopefully you can now see my feet. It doesn't really matter which direction you do the basic step in. We're going to do the same on both sides. For the sake of simplicity, I'm just always going to start on this side. So we're going to do our basic step just together. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Now, we're going to do the same thing, but instead of just a tap, we're going to do a cha-cha, a step, step. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, step, step. Make sure we transfer the weight over to that leg to free up this leg as if we had done a tap, so we can continue the way that we came. 5, 6, 7, step, step. 1, 2, 3, step, step. 5, 6, 7, step, step. 1, 2, 3, step, step. 5, 6, 7. Now I'm taking very big steps just to show you, but please when you're practicing this, take smaller steps. So hopefully that's nice and simple. That's a simple version of it. We can also take this with a box step, so we could go 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. You can also do it in things like Campana. So we could go 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. Now another variation here. We can do a backward step instead of just on the spot. So we go 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. With the box step, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. That's a very basic tutorial on how to replace your taps with a cha-cha step. I hope you found it useful. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next.